By the end of the video, we will know about how to work out 4MMA mixed martial arts. Training 4MMA involves a unique blend of strength, endurance, agility, and technique. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your current regimen, this guide will help you structure your workouts to maximize your performance in the ring. Key components of MMA training: strength training. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses to build overall strength. Incorporate bodyweight exercises, such as pull-ups, push-ups, and dips to develop functional strength, cardio and endurance. High-intensity interval training. Height is essential for building the stamina needed for MMA bouts. Long-distance running, swimming, or cycling can help improve your cardiovascular endurance. Flexibility and mobility. Regular stretching and yoga can increase your flexibility, reducing the risk of injuries and improving your range of motion. Skill training. Practice striking techniques like punches, kicks, elbows, and knees with a focus on speed and precision. Grappling techniques, including wrestling, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu (BJJ), and Judo, are crucial for ground fighting. Sparring and drills. Sparring with a partner helps you apply your skills in real time and improve your reaction times. Drills like pad work, shadow boxing, and bag work are essential for honing your techniques. Sample MMA workout routine. Strength training, Monday and Thursday. Squats, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Deadlifts, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bench press, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Push-ups, 4 sets of 20 reps. Cardio and endurance, Tuesday and Friday. HIIT, 20 minutes alternating between 30 seconds of sprinting and 30 seconds of walking. Long distance run, 5 to 10 kilometers at a steady pace. Skill training, Wednesday and Saturday. Striking drills, 30 minutes, focus on combinations, speed, and accuracy. Grappling drills, 30 minutes, practice takedowns, submissions, and escapes. Flexibility and mobility. Daily, 20 to 30 minutes of stretching or yoga. Sparring, twice a week. 3 to 5 rounds of sparring with a partner. Each round lasts 3 to 5 minutes. Nutrition and recovery. Proper nutrition and recovery are as important as the workouts themselves. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Hydration and sleep are also critical for recovery and performance. Conclusion: training for MMA requires dedication, discipline, and a well-rounded approach to fitness. By incorporating strength training, cardio, flexibility, skill practice, and proper nutrition, you can enhance your performance and become a formidable fighter in the ring. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Start your MMA training journey today and push your limits to achieve peak performance.